Hi, Assalamualaikum to my lecturer, Dr. Nozianis binti Rizali. I'm here to present about the mini project that we have done. Business process management. Okay. First of all, allow me to introduce myself and my team. My name is Nohidayah binti Jeffrey. 18. Number matrix is 18 DPM 23F 2011, and
My name is Izzati Shahira binti Muhammad Rosaitu Zamzam. Number is 18 DPM 23F 2019.
My name is Madhyarigi Arampurpan. My matrix number is 18DPM 23F 2005.
okay. First we start with table of content. Firstly, we will introduce about DSN industrial berhad and Spirulina cultivation project. Mm, Second, the layout of the DSN Spirulina cultivation project, and we will explain about the process of making spirulina in DSN industrial, and then pros and cons, which is advantage and disadvantage of DSN spirulina cultivation project current layout. Lastly, we will present about a revised process layout. First, improvement made, which is a strategy to improve efficiently. Strategy to improve efficiently of process layout. Benefit of the revised layout. Okay, so we move to the next slide.
Alright, so for this slide, I'll be sharing a bit of introduction about DSN Industrial Berhad and also the Spirulina cultivation process. Okay, so DSN Industrial Berhad is a multinational company founded in 1993 by Dr. Lim Seong Jin in Malaysia. DSN is a global leader in the health and wellness industry, especially known for products based on Ganoderma and other health supplements. One of their main products is DSN Spirulina, which comes from the microalga Spirulina plantatis. Spirulina is often called a superfood because it's rich in protein, vitamin, mineral, chlorophyll, and amino acid. This helps to boost our energy, improve immunity, and support overall health. DSN also use clean and controlled farming method to make sure the spirulina produce is high in quality and safe for consumers.
Okay, as we can see here, this is the layout of spirulina cultivation project. Firstly is a spawn culture. Second, growing. Third, harvesting. Four, spray drying. And five, the quality control. And two, and six, packing section. And lastly, the storage section. And then the distribution of the product of spirulina. Introduction to spirulina process. Spirulina is a type of edible blue-green alga highly valued for its nutritional profile. Okay. Um, Spirulina rich in protein, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and essential amino acids. Spirulina has become an important superfood in the health and wellness industry. Okay. Many biotechnology companies, including DSN Industrial Berhad, have invested in large-scale spirulina production as part of their HAP product portfolio. The production of spirulina involves uh, a series of carefully controlled stages to ensure optimum growth and preservation of its nutrients. The main processes include cultivation, harvesting, filtration, drying, and lastly packaging. Before packaging, they will ensure the quality of the product first, quality of the spirulina, and then packaging. During cultivation, spirulina is grown in specially designed pond and photobioreactors under specific conditions such as adequate sunlight, temperature, pH level, and nutrient balance. Okay. Through this systematic production process, companies like DSN are able to produce high-quality spirulina that meets international health and safety standards. The success of this process will ensuring that consumers receive products that are both nutritious and safe for consumption. So we move to the next slide, which is this is a spirulina production process. There is 8 process of making spirulina. Firstly, strain selection and initial culture. DSN begins by selecting the most suitable spirulina strain with optimal nutrient content, growth stability, and safety. The strain is first cultivated in controlled laboratory conditions before being transferred to open cultivation ponds. Second is cultivation. The spirulina is grown in clean, pesticide-free ponds under carefully monitored environmental conditions, such as sunlight exposure, pH level, water quality, and nutrient balance to ensure healthy and consistent biomass growth. Third, harvesting. Once the spirulina reaches optimal, optimal density, it is harvested at the right growth pace to maximize nutrient content and minimize contamination. Four, four filtration and cleaning. Filtration and cleaning of spirulina. The harvested spirulina biomass undergoes filtration and washing to remove impurities, unwanted microorganisms, and debris. DSN use contribute filtration systems to ensure the highest purity. 5 is drying. The clean spirulina paste is then dried using low temperature cool dehydration technique to retain sensitive nutrients like vitamins, proteins, and pigments such as phycocyanin. This step is crucial to preserve its nutritional integrity. Okay, number six is processing and formulation. After drying, spirulina is milled into fine powder or compressed into tablets and capsules. DSN ensures that all formulations meet GMP standards and return high bioavailability. bioavailability. And then next, 7. Packaging and certification. Finished product are hygienically packed, labeled, and stored to maintain freshness and stability. DSN products are halal certified, GMP compliant, and approved for global distribution. 8. And the last process of spirulina is distribution. The final spirulina product in tablet or powder form are distributed both locally and internationally, reflecting the DSN's global presence in over 118 countries.
Advantages of Spirulina growing and harvesting machine. The first one is faster and consistent production. So maksud dia, mesin dapat mengawal suhu, cahaya, pH dan nutrien. So jadi spirulina tumbuh lebih cepat dan stabil berbanding cara manual. Nombor dua, better quality assurance. Maksud dia kualiti lebih terjamin, dapat mengurangkan risiko pencemaran dari luar, debu, serangga, bakteria, kerana proses lebih terkawal. Nombor tiga, saves labour. Maksud dia menjimatkan tenaga kerja. Hal ini proses menuai harvesting lebih mudah sebab mesin boleh tapis spirulina dari air tanpa guna banyak tenaga manusia. Nombor empat, high productivity. Maksud dia produktiviti dia tinggi. Mesin boleh hasilkan spirulina dalam kuantiti besar secara berterusan. Yang ni sesuai untuk tujuan komersial. Okay, yang ni pula disadvantages of spirulina growing and harvesting machine. So number one, high initial cost. Maksud dia kos permulaan tinggi. Membeli mesin, tangki, sistem filter, otomasi sangat mahal untuk pengusaha kecil. Nombor dua, complex maintenance. Penyelenggaraan rumit. Maksud dia mesin perlukan servis berkala. Jika rosak, kos membaiki agak tinggi dan memerlukan kebakaran teknikal. Nombor tiga, dependence and on electricity technology. Maksud dia bergantung pada elektrik dan teknologi. Jika berlaku gangguan elektrik, proses pertumbuhan atau penuaian boleh terganggu dan menjejaskan hasil. Nombor empat, operator skills needed. Kemahiran operator. So, pekerja perlu dilatih mengendalikan mesin, terutama jika melibatkan sistem otomasi dan sensor.
So next, I want to move the advantage and disadvantage of the spirulina powder machine and spray drying machine. Okay, the first is time saving. This machine helps speed up the grinding and drying process, which means we can produce spirulina powder faster compared to manual method. And the second is final powder quality. The machine ensures that the spirulina powder is smooth and consistent, which is very important for product quality, especially in supplement or health food production. And the third is less material waste. The process is more efficient, so less raw spirulina get waste during production. This help reduce costs and makes the process more sustainable. And then lastly, Okay, it's easy to operate. Modern machines are designed to be user-friendly, can handle and maintain them with minimal training. Now we will move to disadvantage of spirulina powder machine and spray drying machine. The first is high cost. Okay, buying and installing the equipment requires a large investment which can be challenging for small business. And the second is higher energy consumption. The drying process uses a low electricity or heat energy which increase to operating costs. And the third is requires regular maintenance. If not properly maintenance, the machine could break down or affect powder quality. Regular cleaning and servicing are needed to keep it running well. And then lastly is risk of contamination, which is if the equipment is cleaning properly after each batch, it can lead to contamination that affect the safety and quality of the spirulina powder.
So yang ni improvement made for the extent spirulina cultivation product efficiency. Number one, optimize pond layout and design for sunlight and deadline. So maksudnya optimumkan susun atur dan reka bentuk kolom untuk cahaya matahari dan saliran. So orientation and spacing. Align ponds or raceways to maximize sunlight exposure. Number two, improve water management and circulation system. Maksudnya sistem pengurusan dan peredaran air yang dipertingkatkan. So yang ni water sourcing and treatment. Yang ni ensure water sources, groundwater, surface water are reliable. Number three, modular expansion and flexible layout. So maksud dia pengembangan modular dan susun atur fleksibel. Yang ni modular pond units, instead of building one arc pond, use multiple smaller. Number four, integration of monitoring automation. Maksud dia integrasi pemantauan atau otomasi. Sensor grid. Install sensors in each pond for key parameters, temperature and pH. Number five, sustainability and resource efficiency. Maksud dia kelestarian dan kecekapan sumber. Yang ni renewable energy incorporation, use solar panels for powering pumps, mixing and sensors. So yang ni benefits of the revised layout. Increase yield and spirulina quality. Maksud dia peningkatan hasil dan kualiti spirulina. Higher biomass yield per cycle, more consistent nutritional content, example protein profile beta carotene. Number three, reduce risk of contamination or poor quality harvest. Number two, reduce long-term operational costs. Maksud dia mengurangkan kos operasi jangka panjang. Lower energy consumption for pumps and mixers, reduce water and chemical usage, minimize waste and improve resource efficiency. Number three, improve quality control and monitoring efficiency. So maksud dia peningkatan kawalan kualiti dan kecekapan pemantauan. Lower risk of culture collapse or contamination, consistent product quality for international markets, easier compliance with certifications like Halal, GMP, HACCP, and organic. Number four, environmentally friendly market value and enhancement. So maksud dia mesra alam dan peningkatan nilai pasaran. Enhanced reputation as an eco-friendly company, asset access to premium markets, eco-conscious, organic, potential government intensive for green agriculture initiatives.
Lastly, In conclusion, a study on the spirulina production project at DSN Industrial Berhad demonstrate that the manufacturing process is conducted through a scientific and structured system. The main stage, namely cultivation, harvesting, drying, and packaging, are carried out under strict quality control to ensure that the natural value and purity of spirulina are preserved. Um, so DSN Spirulina cultivation project in Jitra is a high potential agrobiotechnological biotechnology initiative aimed at meeting the growing global demand for natural health supplement. Moreover, its sustainable approach, including efficient water management and green energy integration, position DSN as a leader in environmentally responsible spirulina farming. This project not only benefits the company in terms of profitability, but also contributes positively to local communities through job creation and regional economic development.